In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see answers on Google Forms. Whether you're an educator gathering feedback from students, a business conducting surveys, or just looking to collect responses for personal projects, understanding how to access and view responses on Google Forms is a crucial skill. So, let's dive in and get started with these easy-to-follow steps. First, you need to navigate to Google Forms. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in Google Forms into the search bar, or you could directly go to the Google Forms URL. It's a part of the Google Workspace suite, which means if you're already logged into your Google account, you should find it quite accessible. Once you've reached Google Forms, you'll be greeted by a list of forms if you've made any previously, or you might be prompted to create a new one. Next, let's create a new form. In today's example, we'll be naming it Quiz 3. A title like Quiz 3 just makes it easier to organize and locate later, especially if you have multiple forms saved. Feel free to customize it to fit your specific needs. Perhaps it could be a customer feedback survey or a registration form for an event. Remember, the title should reflect the content or purpose of your form to ensure everything stays neatly organized. After naming your form, you can begin adding questions. For this tutorial, we'll use a straightforward question where the answer is 6. This process typically involves selecting the type of question you want to ask, inputting the question itself, and then providing the answer options or a space for the respondent to type in their response. Remember, the key is simplicity when drafting your questions to ensure it's easy for respondents to provide the information you need. Once your form is live and respondents have submitted their answers, you'll want to know how to view these responses. For that, you should locate the Responses tab along the top of the form interface. It might take a minute or two for all responses to populate, especially if it's a longer form or one with various types of questions. Click on the Responses tab to reveal the received answers. It's here that Google conveniently compiles all the responses for you, allowing you to view them in a summarized format with graphs and charts, or individually if needed. This feature is incredibly beneficial as it saves time and provides a clear visual representation of the data. By following these steps, you can seamlessly access the answers to your Google Forms. This tool is incredibly powerful and versatile, allowing you to tailor forms to a multitude of uses and easily interpret the data you gather. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope it helps you make the most of Google Forms in your everyday projects.